Hello there, and welcome to today's class, which is a short, gentle yoga stretch you can do right from your bed. So, this is great to do first thing in the morning as a gentle way to start your day, or to do right before you go to sleep as a relaxing stretch to end your day with. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sam, and welcome to the channel. I teach yoga here online and also around my local community. Before we get started, consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So to get started, you won't need any special props. Just find someplace comfy, maybe in your bed. Make your way to your back if you aren't already there. Close your eyes. Place your hands gently on your belly. Your legs can be stretched out long or knees bent. And we'll take a few breaths together. Inhale, fill up your belly with air. And exhale, release. And draw your navel towards your spine. Inhale, expanding your torso outwards. And exhale. Just take a few more deep belly breaths together. Take a nice deep breath in, the deepest breath you've taken all day. And as you exhale, maybe out through the mouth, draw your knees into your chest. Give your knees a big hug. Maybe you rock side to side, or maybe you stay still. And then release both legs. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. Keep your right foot down, or stretch your right leg out long. And then we'll take a twist here. So stretch your right leg out long if you haven't already. And gently draw your left knee across your body. And take your arms out in a T. And look whatever direction is comfortable. And gently draw your left knee back in. And release back down. Draw your right knee in, keeping your left foot on the mat or on the bed, or stretching your leg out long. And then if you haven't already, take your left leg out long, gently guide your right knee across your body into a reclined twist, and stretch your arms out wide. And gently guide your knee back to center and release back down. Draw your left leg up and in, taking a gentle hamstring stretch. Right knee can stay bent, or you can slide your right leg out long. Left knee can stay bent. Maybe point and flex your foot, or take an ankle circle one way and then the other way. Keep this stretch nice and gentle. And gently release and draw your right leg up, pointing and flexing your right foot, circling your ankle, and keeping a generous bend in your right knee. And gently release your right leg. And now we'll come into reclined pigeon. So crossing left ankle over your right knee. Keep your right foot on the ground, or lift your right leg up and hold your leg up with your hands. And gently release your leg and uncross. We'll take the other side, crossing right ankle over your left knee. Stay here with your left foot on the ground, or lift your left leg up. And gently release and uncross your legs. And let both knees dip to one side. And then bring them up and over to the other side. And windshield wiper back and forth a couple more times. From here, take a full body stretch. Reach your arms up overhead, stretch your feet out long. And then release And take a few moments here to take a few breaths, noticing how you feel. From here, either start to bring some more movement back into the body and roll up gently and go about your day. But if it's evening and you're ready for bed, then just stay here. So this is where I'll leave you today. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. I hope this was a nice, relaxing stretch for you.